What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. My people, it is now I'm covering a really sad story involving a Jamaican couple people who was killed in a very deadly accident over in the United States of America on the 1st of January 2021. The age of these person, people, the female, whose name is Thelma Reed, 60, and her husband, Donovan Gibbon, who is 57 years old, people. They never make it, people. No, they never. Really sad. Now, I have this article, people, news article from over in the United States of America about this incident, which is really sad, people. There's a lot of people mourning the passing of these person because they are saying these was really a great and wonderful people. And it's really sad. Really sad, people. So let me just read this thing so you can get understanding of what I'm saying. Sad. A devoted and beloved Queens couple died in a horrific New Year's morning crash with a pickup truck whose driver ditched his ride and ran away, leaving 2 passengers behind, police said. Thelma Reed, 60, and Donovan Gibbon, 57, were in a blue Nissan Rogue rolling past Rockaway Freeway and Ocean Crest Boulevard in Far Rockaway when a grey Dodge Ram T-boned them around 5 a.m., cops said. Wow, people, I'm telling you, man. Cha. Both Reed, who was driving, and Gibbon in the passenger seat were pinned in the sedan. Medics found the pair unconscious and unresponsive with head and body trauma. Cops said they were rushed to St. John Episcopal Hospital but couldn't be saved. The truck driver managed to get out of the mangled wreck and bolt before first responders arrived. Police said he was being sought. A 37-year-old man riding in the truck suffered a head injury and was taken to Jamaica Hospital in stable condition. A 33-year-old male passenger was taken into custody after arguing with investigators. Charges were pending, cops said. We were right here and it happened right there, right near their home, Reed's niece, 43-year-old Renee Rightly, told the Daily News. I don't know how you can just leave the scene of an accident like that. I don't understand it. Those people had a family. We are very big family, very close-knit. They left a huge hole in our family, she said. We are distraught. I wouldn't wish this on anyone. Oh my pearl, oh my precious. Gibbon and Reed, both from Jamaica, married in 2013 and work at LSG Sky Chefs Catering Company at John F. Kennedy Airport, Rightly said. Even if she wasn't working, she do wait there for him and he do the same. They really did love each other, she said. They were both hard-working immigrants. They were church-going people. They were always together. Everything they did was together. Neighbor Judy Austin, who has lived across the street from Reed for about 40 years, said she fainted when she heard the news. I passed out. I couldn't believe it, said Barbados-born Austin, who will often reminisce with Reed about their Caribbean upbringing. When my husband came and told me, I said no. I just hope to God she wasn't in any pain. It is a terrible day for this to happen, she said after New Year's Day tragedy. What a lovely person she was. It is going to be hard for all of us, for her kids. We were so close, it really hit us bad. We are going to miss her. Reed left behind 2 daughters and 1 grandson, Rightly said, noting that Gibbon treated his wife's children as his own. They are both distraught, Rightly said. Of Reed's daughters, she doted on those kids. They were her world. Their world will never be the same without their mother. Justice and John was viewers and subscribers. Wow. It's sad, man. New Year's tragedy over in the United States of America, people. A very beloved couple gone. Huh? Only Jah sees and he knows, people. And to tell you, the man who responds for this accident, people, you get what I say? Him gone. Run gone. Can't be found. Huh? And another sad thing about this, people. When I heard that this couple, right, where they work and thing, people, they said that they were calling because basically there was half of the New Year's and they was calling, you know what I mean, to come, match it up for work, and because they are really good worker people and thing, and in the process, this tragedy happened, people, while on their way to work because they both work the same place, and the man who done this thing, people, he gone. Just imagine how the family in Jamaica of these two persons are coping right now. Just imagine their family over in the United States, friends who know them, everyone, because it is a friend of these people who has reached out to me and said, NEWLINK, please do something about this family, NEWLINK. These are my two friends. When I have a family member funeral in Jamaica, September last year, they were both there and they were very nice people. And to know that this tragedy has happened, NEWLINK, where both of them have lost their life, it is really a sad one. And myself, viewers and subscribers, when I read the thing, man, come like my blood just run cold. Like tears just come on my eye. I feel it. Because I'm looking at myself, people. I'm a man who, me and my wife, we drive most of the time in my car, whether taking her to work, taking her to the grocery store, you know what I mean? We're just going on a outing, maybe to the restaurant, taking a driving spree or something, people. And I'm looking and say, boy, to know that, in the pain, people, I don't want to lose my wife. And I know my wife don't want to lose me. And to know in the state where both of them just gone like that, and to know the persons who committed this thing, them saying run gone, he managed to come out of the vehicle, even the person that he was traveling inside of the vehicle with people. You understand? In comes a boom and left that person and gone. But I'm wondering, people, if any camera footage was there to see anything, because some of them people I can't tell, like, say run garden and when I check it out at the other person who did the people and was driving it, you know what I mean? I'm just saying. But in the end, basically, that person wrong. Because if you run people, right, if you run away, that means him know him wrong. Him do something wrong. Because if him not wrong in that state, they don't. People, it's sad. And all I can do is send out my deepest condolences to the friends and to the family of these two couples. Because they still got a lot of years in front of them, people. No one can predict when it's going to be your time to pass or when you're going to be to die. And to know that this couple just gone away like that, it is really sad, my people. And I cover this story and I really feel it. And as I said again, my deepest condolences to the family of this couple people, and the man's side and the woman's side, the lady's side, my deepest condolences, and may the soul rest in peace. And I hope that cruel people, that wicked people, the police can do their checks and find him and deal with him the way he's supposed to be dealt with, people. You don't know the thing, go. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect, and remember, people, continue to be great throughout this year 2021. Attack! Big up on yourself. I'm out.